Alright, we're going to give you guys a short presentation on a recording which will go through a step-by-step process of the construction of a roof junction with a cavity brick wall using a site outside here located in 88 George Way, Kennington. As we know, the roof system functions as the primary sheltering element for the interior spaces of a house. The construction of a roof should also control the passage of moisture, the infiltration of air, and the flow of heat and solar radiation. As we can see, the cavity brick wall have already been built up when we arrived to the site. They put a steel bearing plate between the top of the brick wall and the bottom of the beam. Then they installed ceiling joists which serve as rafter ties on the top of the plate across the walls. Can't really see, but yeah. Like floor systems, a roof must be structured to span across space and carry its own weight, as well as the weight of any attached equipment and accumulated rain and snow. So that's a function of the roof. The size of each side of the roof from the peak can be determined according to the measurement of the width of the roof, as well as the height of the roof's peak. Since the steel roof truss is triangular, as you can see, our frame construction is triangular. The measurements are very crucial. The trusses were built on the ground and then were raised up and fixed to the frame of the site. After that, they placed the truss plate and then installed the bolts to tighten the joints. This step is repeated. Finally, they placed the assembled frame to the roof, obviously as you can see, using the level to make sure it is straight and even. The building codes will determine the amount of overhang they need based on the size of the roof. The strength of the roof derives from the triangle shapes that comprise the truss itself, and triangles are naturally rigid geometric shapes that resist distortion. The top chords, the very top beams, are in compression and push out at the heel and down to the peak. And the bottom chord is naturally in tension to resist outward thrust. The webs that form smaller triangles strengthen the overall structure and provide rigidity. Loads on the individual webs can be either compression or tension, depending on the type of load. So this is our roof as connected to the cavity brick walls that we have here. And yeah, that's pretty much it.